So in this video, I show you 10 different ways you can achieve financial freedom with my organization. This organization is a manufacturing giant in Asia. They've been manufacturing organic-based products over 36 years now, and the company is simply asking you to switch your brand, use the company's product, so you are paid every week. And I am going to show you exactly how you can get paid every week by using the company's 100% organic-based product. So there are two different ways the company pay you. There is the lifestyle incentive and there is the cash incentive. And quickly, I'll talk about the lifestyle incentives. The lifestyle incentives is simply something you can be doing in a lifetime. So in your lifetime, you would want to travel. In your lifetime, you'd want to have a house, some petty achievement like own a car, and this company is giving this to you for free just by using the company products. There are 4 different lifestyle incentives, or say bonuses, and the first is the all expense paid trip. This all expense paid trip is given to you every year. It's in an award form and it's held twice in a year. So in Ghana, destinations you can travel include Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, China, USA, Zanzibar, and even you can come here to Ghana and then visit Ghana from your home country. This trip is actually sponsored, it's all expense paid, it's free. You get to win this award and then you travel. All you need to do is take a valid passport. You are not available to attend this trip. You just give this award to your friends, your family, anybody you want to give out to. Or if this option is not what you want, you can just take the money and this is going to be paid straight into your bank account. This trip starts from the rank diamond 4, so you can rise to the rank diamond 4, or you can simply enter into a competition that is often opened during some specific time of the year and you can qualify for this trip. The company is awarding you with a free car. Now what you have to do is simply use the company's products. Products include toothpaste, hand sanitizers, baby diapers, sanitary towels, and fertility pills. So just use these products, and within a year or 2 or 3, as you use the products, you stand a chance of winning this brand new cars. These cars are also given out in award ceremony, and it's often held twice in a year. In Ghana, it's in June and December, and it's in April in Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria, you can also get on board, you can do this. You can win these cars as you also rise above the ranks. So it's simply doing the ordinary. It's using toothpaste and winning a car. I've done a video on this year's 2021 car awards and put it in the description for you. Just like the all expense paid, you can also choose whether you want the car or you want the cash. What motivated me to become a part of this company is the educational scholarship. I had faced so many stress during exam time. I was sometimes sacked and I almost nearly missed my exam. I was using a product already. I didn't know it was a company that rewards so hugely. So I decided to become a partner when I heard of the educational scholarship, so that my children would not go through the same situation I went through. So the educational scholarship is actually my motivation. I love it. That's what keeps me going. Now this is in 3 folds. There is the undergraduate, there is the graduate, and then there is the executive MBA. Now you get to study in the Suzhou University in China and also the Denver University in Colorado in the USA. So you choose these 3, any of them. You can win as many as possible with this educational scholarship, and this actually starts when you reach the rank diamond 7, which is very easy for you to reach. It's simply using the company's product and then you getting points, accumulating points, and also asking your friends to use the company's product. And the more you get the points, the more your chances of getting these rewards. So there is the rank diamond 7 where you get a scholarship, and you get the executive MBA scholarship when you reach the star director 1. This is also given to you in this same awards ceremony, but as every year you stand a chance of winning. Okay, so it's easy, it's nothing serious. Now the last one is the 150,000 US dollar house incentive. We all want to have a house of our own. We want to own a house of our own, and you can use this platform to win 150,000 US dollar incentive. It's easy to do this because you are doing them already. You're drinking water, you put your baby diapers on for your children, so it's easy for you to do this. You just have to switch the brand. In no particular order, let's talk about the cash incentives, okay? And we have the performance bonus. The performance bonus is paid every week into your bank account. It actually ranges from 8% depending on the level of entry to 12% and 12% plus 1% global sales. When you get to the VIP, that is when you earn the 12% plus 1%. But aside that, it's 8% to 12%. And it's paid straight into your bank account every week, which is Thursday or Friday in Ghana or in Nigeria. It's also the fast start bonus. This fast start bonus is actually paid to you when a new person joins the organization through you. So this is people who want to do business with the organization, with the company. So you want to share the news to people on they using their company product, and anytime you share the message with somebody, the person buys from you and the company rewards you for the person who is buying from you. And one of such is the fast start bonus, where you straight away get about 50 cedis here in Ghana straight into your bank account for every new person that signs up and wants to be a member. So even a week, if you have about 20 people, you multiply 20 by 50 and you get the money into your bank account, and that's how you grow your business. There is also the leadership bonus. The leadership bonus is, as the name suggests, is for you as a leader building and expanding your horizon in the business. The leadership bonus is 10% and it's paid based on your rank. There are different ranks. I'm going to talk about that later, and you don't need to miss it. I'm going to explain into detail. We have the ranks: Diamond 1, Diamond 2, Diamond 3, Diamond 4, Diamond 5, Diamond 6 to Diamond 7. From Diamond 3 to the Star Director level, you earn 10% to 45%, and this is calculated in percentages based on your sponsor tree and also paid down to your 12th generation. So your first generation is first group of people who become partners through you. The second is the second generation, and up to 12 generations. So up to 12 generations you are paid percentage wise. It decreases as your circle expands. So from the first 3 generation you earn 10%. It's also paid to you every week and it's paid straight into your bank account. So performance bonus is paid straight into your bank account, and the leadership bonus is paid to your bank account, as well as the fast start bonus. So in all, if you're getting 10% from performance bonus or 12% from performance bonus and 10% from leadership bonus, in a week you are getting about 20% of all the activity that comes to the organization through you. And also you get your immediate cash from the fast start bonus. Now let's look at the development bonus. Development bonus is actually 10%, and development bonus obviously is paid into your bank account. Development bonus is done on your 2 weakest legs. So when I talk of 2 weakest legs, I mean that 3 people joins the organization through you. If you want to use it a platform as a business, it's mandatory that you tell people about it, you share the message to people, and people become partners of the organization. So your first 3 is your first generation, but the company pays you based on 2 of the people, and we call it the legs. So the 3 people are your 3 legs, but the organization pays you based on 2 people, which is your 2 legs. So for the development bonus, the organization pays you 10% based on these 2 legs, which have attained 60 PVs each. When I talk of 60 PVs, is when people buy the product and the total points that is garnered is actually up to 60. So in all, 60 point value helps you to achieve your development bonus, which is 10%, and it is also paid straight into your bank account. So when we summarize the cash incentives, we have the leadership bonus, which is earning you 10%, the performance bonus is earning you 10%, development is earning you 10%, and also the fast start bonus. Now there is one thing which is my favorite The organization allows that it happens. By the end of the month, everybody is allowed to make a purchase. You are not limited to, but it should amount to 30 point value. And we call it the retail or maintenance bonus. So everybody in your circle has to do a 30 PV every month, and this you earn $1.35 on every 30 point value you make, and this you can earn from your 12th generation to your 15th generation. Actually, no restrictions. So this is the retail order or the maintenance order. We've seen the performance bonus, we've seen the leadership bonus, we've seen the development bonus, the fast start bonus, and we've seen the retail and the maintenance order. This is actually paid into your bank account every week, and you need to place yourself at a vantage position where you can earn this every week. It's simply switching your brand. You use the company products, become a partner, and use our products. You can decide to invest in this and become a stockist. A stockist is somebody who distributes the products in large quantities. I've done a video of that. I'm going to put it in the description and you can check it out. So Rockstar, basically this is how you can transform your life to financial freedom with this 10 simple ways with this organization, which allows you to simply use 100% organic based products and get paid every week for using these products. My name is Obape Ekuajechi. I'm going to come by your way some other time, and I'm going to share interesting stuff on you transforming your life to financial freedom by just taking your bath. If this video is valuable, feel free, hit on the like button and also hit on the subscription bell, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell to get notified anytime I post valuable content. But until I do that, it's bye bye for now. I'll see you at the top.